Hey Stitchy Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today I will show you how to sew the easiest jersey Brazilian panties. No serger needed, I am using just a regular sewing machine today. These are my absolute favorite, I wear stellas almost every day. We will finish the leg openings by folding the seam allowance and stitching them down. And because I love making matching sets, we will finish the waistline the same way as the underbust on this Madison bra. Band finish with elastic inside, but you can also use a fold over elastic or plush-back elastic instead. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe and hype. The hype button is available on mobile phone only. It's totally free and it really helps the channel grow. Thank you, and now let's jump right in. For this style you will need a half meter of your main fabric or 70 by 55 centimeters piece. Then a small piece of your lining. I'm using cotton jersey for both. And 1 meter of plush-back elastic. And I really need to match this Madison bra, so I will make the waistband the same way as the underbust one. Fabric band with the elastic inside. Fold your fabric and place your front piece on this fold. Then cut one front piece. Then take your back piece, place it on double layered fabric and cut 2 mirrored pieces. Now I need to cut my fabric band. I am using 3 centimeters white elastic, so I need to cut the band twice the elastic width plus 2 centimeters for the seam allowance. It's 8 centimeters. I'm sewing extra small size, so my elastic is 64 centimeters long and I will cut the band the same length. At this point I can place the edges right sides together and pin them so they are prepared for sewing together. Then take your lining fabric and cut one crotch piece. Take your back pieces, place them right sides together and pin and sew the back center seam. It's this one. So I am pinning this seam. I just need to have it this way. Then overlap your plush-back elastic about 1 or 1.5 centimeters and baste and stitch the edges together. Take all the pieces and we can move to sewing machine, the regular one today. I'm using this stretch stitch, which is really perfect for lingerie and swimwear sewing if you don't have a serger. So I really recommend this one, the blue one. The back center first. Then the fabric band for my waistband. And we also need to finish the longer edge of the crotch piece. Now place your front piece right side up and then the back piece right side down on it, so they are facing the right sides together, and pin the crotch seam, both side seams, then take your lining crotch piece and place it right side facing the wrong side of the back piece. We can mark the center right here, then we will align it with the center back seam and pin it like this. Now we can stitch both side seams and also the crotch one. Crotch seam first. And then both side seams. Now take the lining crotch piece, place it wrong side facing the wrong side of the front one and pin it in a place. Now fold the seam allowance from both leg openings to the wrong side and pin or baste it in a place. Then turn the panties to the right side and we can stitch these folded edges. And I think I really need to try the same stretch stitch also here on the leg openings. I always use just a regular zigzag. It's quite boring, but it works just perfectly. So I'm not sure. I think I will use a zigzag for one leg opening for one side and the stretch stitch for the second side, and we will see how it turns out and the difference. So yeah, let's stitch these leg openings. The side with the stretch stitch first. And I think it's not bad. Like, yeah, I think I like it. You can tell me in the comments if you like this stitch visible on the leg opening, or if it's better just to sew the seams which are hidden inside. I kinda like it. Okay, we can move to the second one with regular zigzag, and I will use 2.5 length and also the width. So second side done. Tell me, which one looks better? Sure, you can use a twin needle or cover stitch machine, but today we are using just a regular sewing machine with the regular settings. So yeah, these are two ways how I made the leg openings. But when I see it almost done, I think this one is really better. Then use just a regular zigzag stitch to stitch the elastic edges together. Now take your band, take your elastic and place the elastic wrong side or right side, it really doesn't matter at all. Place the elastic like this and then wrap the band around the elastic so the elastic stays hidden inside the band. That's the point, actually. And pin or baste the band edges wrong sides together. And my favorite quarters. Mark a quarters of your band of your panties waistline as well. Then align these quarters, right sides together, of course. And stitch the band with your panties together. You can stretch the band between the quarters. And our Stella panties with the fabric waistband with elastic inside are done. If you like to stay here for a few moments, I will just remove the zigzag from here and stitch also the second leg opening with the same stitch, with the stretch one. So I need to remove the zigzag because I really don't like it at all. Oh my. Much, much better. What do you think? I really love this stitch and I don't know why I didn't use it before, but it's really nice. Yeah. Let's try them on.